Hello everyone, today finished objective video and socks. Now these are my socks that I had when I wanted to watch a movie, or then I don't have to look at the knitting, and especially they are knitted not on US size 1, which is 2.25 millimeters, but US size 2, which is 2.75 millimeters. So they knit up pretty quick, and if they knit up pretty quick, then main idea for me is to take my leftovers and my friend's leftovers in this case and join them together and knit beautiful socks. So maybe I'll start with what kind of yarn I use and from where I got those yarns, and I tell you then about socks. So look through your stash and check out what you have, because you may have plenty of yarn, little bits that you can actually make something really nice. This main color that you see over here, these are leftovers from my socks, but not only my socks, but also my friend's socks. I had some leftovers, and I still have some, as you can see, and I'm going to keep them because you can do loads of stuff with them. And the color is 916. It is a Drops Fable 7525 wool and polyamide. And I had two 50-gram balls that I sent to my friend. She knitted socks and she had leftovers, and when she was making me a happy meal, preparing happy meal, she put those leftovers, because she knows I like leftovers, into that package, and I was able to join, because basically I had my own ones just maybe until this section. It wouldn't really matter, to be honest, because I could just change the color for something else, or even go with this burgundy color, but as you can see, it looks really nice. I tried to match them because over here it's a fingering weight, although I'm, as I said, use US size 2. I hold strands double, which means that they're kind of DK worsted weight socks, and what I wanted to achieve over here, those stripes, so I wanted to actually match, that's why I have some bits over here left, to match two strands with the same-ish color. And as you can see, I got it a little bit over here, and I got it over here, but then the Fable had knots and stuff, so maybe they changed the color, so you can see it. Then I got this kind of different effect. And then I thought it's going to go like this, but then they went back to a normal stripy dyed thing. So that's that. Just in case you would not match the strands, something like this you may get. And then I have two 50-gram balls, and I thought it will really match. And this also Drops Fable, but this is 822. And they're dyed different way, because the plies over here has different colors, and the plies, they have different colors. So yeah, they're very old stash of mine, and I couldn't find the yarn from this, because check it out, this is beautiful grey and has some depth in it. So nice, would look beautiful like for a sweater, and especially for like male sweater, I would say. And this is Pattern Scroy stock, I think this is it, and 7525, and the color is Glen Check 55012. So check it out, beautiful. And this yarn I got from a friend, I think the same one, Diane. So right, how I knit them. So toe up, I used my toe, I don't remember, give me a sec. Yeah, I followed the pattern tutorial step by step, so I'm going to put it at the end of the video so you can check it out if you don't know how to do it. Basically, I increased every second row and knitting toe up until I get a certain number of stitches, and I used 48 stitch over here in circumference, and I was knitting 50 rounds that I marked for the heel, because at the end of the day, when I finish the tube, I cut the yarn and place afterthought heel, which I did. And also I decreased this time after knitting 3 rounds, then I decrease every second round. that was increasing, that's decreasing. And then over here, when I run out of yarn, and I think I had 25 rounds, I started to knit one by one rib with a different colour, as you can see, and finish with tubular bind off, which I love. And I also have a step-by-step tutorial, so maybe that's a second video that I'll replace over here so you would see. Other than that, check down below links to all my tutorials in regard to socks, so if you think that I may help you with something, just check it out. And if I'm missing something, let me know in the comments down below, so maybe I'll record something for you if I know how to do it. Yeah, and over here for this beautiful cuff, I like the height of it, I used 15 rounds, so it's 15 rounds, beautiful. I like the 15 rounds thing. So yeah, I think I'm going to keep them or put them into my gift box, and we shall see who they will go to, because I think I have a person in mind, actually, maybe a family member. I don't have those needles with me because they're occupied. I'm knitting a sweater, and this is a Knit Pro Symphony that I'm using, so you could see over here. I know there's no needles, but at least you have information about them. And I kept everything in the beautiful bag, Handmade Bags by Diane from Canada, keychain socks. Check the links down below. So yay! I hope that's it. Let me know down below what you have on your needles, what kind of project you like to knit, just to knit and round. Don't think too much about it. Do you use your leftovers, those little bits, and what do you do with them? If you do, maybe you don't knit socks, maybe you knit something else. And especially, like I said over here, I use a commercial yarn. So yeah, let me know what you do with a hand-dyed yarn and what you do with a commercial yarn when you have some leftovers. I'll be really interested to know that. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Bye. Next one is a sweater. Stay tuned, subscribe, like.